Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Kustomizee review. So what actually is Kustomizee? Guys, Kustomizee is the only AI app that codes, writes and designs stunning e-commerce stores preloaded with AI generated designs, selling funny t-shirts, mugs, sweet t-shirts and other products. Creator of this beautiful software, Kustomizee, Sheun Ogundele. You know, Sheun Ogundele is one of the best software creator on Warrior Plus marketplace. Sheun and Jason launched lots of software successfully on Warrior Plus. Guys, this is one of this. I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software, Kustomizee. Guys, I'm going to show you quick demo, so please don't skip this video before watching demo. I'm going to show you everything that no one can share with you. Guys, this software goes live on Kustomizee 14th of May 10 a.m. EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software, Kustomizee. In just 4 clicks, brand new AI app that codes, writes and designs stunning e-commerce stores preloaded with AI generated designs that makes us $3,000 to $5,000 per month by selling funny t-shirts, mugs, sweet t-shirts and other products. No inventory, no product shipping or handling, no customer support, zero upfront investment. Guys, I'm going to show you all the secret about this software, so stay tuned. Guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. I'm just going to jump on my blog. You can see my blog name is healthywealthy24.com. This is my blog. I wrote the full review here on my blog about this software, Kustomizee. I put everything that you need to know before purchase this software. Here is everything, guys. Okay, what is Kustomizee all about? Kustomizee software works for simple steps. Kustomizee software complete product overview. Right now I'm going to show you quick overview. The product name is Kustomizee, vendor name is Sheun Ogundele, launch date is 14th of May 10 a.m. EST, and this is the official website link, so you have no problem to find out the official website link. And the front end price only $17. Also, this software have OTOs. I'm going to show you all the upsells and OTOs and bonuses, guys. Honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software, Kustomizee. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this one. And if you purchase this software through via my link, I will give you my $2,375 bonuses. All the bonuses, guys, I'm going to show you a step by a step. Here is, you can see my bonus page. You can see all of my bonuses that I will provide. Here is lots of software, lots of marketing materials that I will give you, guys. If you have any problem to receiving your bonuses, you can email me. Our email is here. I will send you all those bonus. And here is the official quick demo. This demo created by the software owner. He explained well. You can see the demo, guys, link in my video description below. And about the creator, Sheun Ogundele. And here's the Kustomizee, the facers. Okay, all those facers you can see about this software, Kustomizee. What Kustomizee can do for you: Kustomizee OTOs, discount options, and 9 OTOs. Only cons of this software, because this software have lots of OTOs, and basically this is very high quality software, guys. Believe me, when I'm going to show you quick demo, then you will be fully understand about this software, Kustomizee, so stay tuned. Here is the Kustomizee frequently asked questions. I hope you have lots of questions, and your all question answer is available here. I think here is the Kustomizee bonus package. This is the vendor 4 bonus. Vendor will give you this 4 bonus, and this is my bonus package, guys. You can see, just click here and you can see all of my bonuses like this, and you can see all the bonuses after purchase this software, Kustomizee, inside the members area. So what are you waiting for, guys? This is 100% risk-free software, 180 days money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose basically, guys. Right now I'm going to show you quick demo about this software, Kustomizee. So let's see the demo.
Hello, let me introduce you to this amazing, powerful software called Kustomizee. Kustomizee is the world's first AI print-on-demand e-com store builder and is the only AI app that codes, writes, and designs stunning e-com stores preloaded with AI-generated designs that sell funny t-shirts, mugs, sweatshirts, and other products. Now I'm going to show you how super easy it is to create your own personalization store or print on demand store. So let's get started. I'm going to log into my account. Once you log in inside Kustomizee, you are greeted with the dashboard, and you can see on the menu, you can see the store site. This is where you can create your print-on-demand e-com stores. You have the AI email creator to create your email sequence for your e-commerce products. You have the ads copy to create Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads. You have some video creator to create video ads as well for your store. So now I'm going to get started by clicking on the create store button. Once you click on the create store button, you need to give your website a name. So here I'm just going to name my site Meg. So then the domain name as well, and then you click on submit. And that's it. In just one click, your customized store is ready. If you click on this link now, it takes you to your customized store. Can you see that? This is your store preloaded with products that people can customize and start paying for. So now your customers can come to your store and design their products. They can customize their shirts, they can customize mugs, they can customize pullovers, they can customize phone cases, cap, pillowcases, bags, and so on and so forth. So now I'm going to show you how they can customize their products right on your platform and sell for any amount that you prefer and make money while doing that without you creating the product, without you sourcing for products or shipping product to any customers. All these are done for you automatically. So I'm going to click on this shirt now. So once the customer click on the shirt, it's going to bring you to the product designer page. So here the customer can select the color that they want. As you can see, customer can select any colors that they want here. They can change colors, they can change product here in case they want to select another product. Can you see that? So customers can select colors. So once the color has been selected, then customer can then design their product to their taste. They can use a already AI generated templates. You can see you can add this. Can you see that? Can if you don't, you can customize it. Can you see? You can always customize it. You can edit anything. So yeah, I'm just going to delete this. Can you see that? So also you have tons and tons of templates that you can use. You can come to clip art as well. You can see tons of clip art that you can use. Can you see that? So in case you want to use this, you can use it as well. But let's say you want to use something else. You can see there are tons of clip art as well that you can use to customize your website. You can then add templates, you can add text, whatever you want to add to it, you can add it. Say I want to add this here. Can you see? Can drag it to wherever you want to drag it to. You can edit it, you can change the text. Also, you can use the AI to generate unique designs for your customized store. So let's say you want to use AI instead. So here I'm just going to click here on the AI image. Can you see? And then give the image a name. So here I can say maybe generate cats, grass. Can you see that? So that's what I want to generate. So I'm just going to put it there. Then click on generate. As you can see, the AI is going to generate the design in just a click. So you can download the design and use it on your clothes. And then I can add the image. Can you see? This is our AI generated image. So once the customer is done, just click on add to cart and then you're good to go. You see, then the customer can check out and purchase these clothes. The best part of this is that you will never even have to handle product shipping or sourcing of products. All these are done by our partners that is inside Kustomizee. So the next thing is to start getting traffic and getting sales. So with the power of customizing, we have AI email creators that you can use to create emails as well. So all you have to do is just to click on it, then enter the topic. Customize t-shirts. And then it's going to generate an email to promote a customized t-shirt. Can you see? The email has been created and you can just copy the email and send it out. You also have the AI ads copy as well that you can use to create your Facebook ads, YouTube ads on any topic. Right, Facebook ads for customized t-shirts. Can you see that? And I'll click on generate ad copy. You can see one click is going to generate ad copy for your Facebook ads or Instagram ads, YouTube ads, whatever. You can also create video here as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand. I hope you enjoy this software. This is very easy to use software, and keep in mind one thing, that this software will provide 180 days money back guarantee. That means full 6-month money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose. And here is another gift for you, free gift for first 47 action takers. Get our best selling customized profit amplifier edition worth 1997. Average store owners makes 1000 extra per day, and they are already making money, guys. Okay, you can see lots of testimonials here, you can see. And yeah, this is very high quality software, you already know that. Here is the members area. Let the AI generate designs. AI set up your designs automatically. This is the creator Shavina Gundale. Just pay on $17 front end offer. Also, this software have upsells and downsells. You can see everything here on my blog, link in my video description below. Don't forget to click the link at first to learn about this software Kustomizee. Then you decided to buy this, then you can do that. If you think this is not perfect for you, you are a very busy person, then you can try another. Okay guys, this is my honest opinion, believe me. And here is everything what you will get, guys. Honestly speaking, if you want to really making money from online, then you can try it out, because they will provide 180 days money back guarantee. And this is very amazing software, a legit software that created by Shavina Gundale. I hope guys you fully understand. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who are actually struggling to generate money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video.